What's up guys, welcome to Drew Tutorial, and if you're new, a special welcome to you. Now guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to stop startup applications from running when your computer turns on, right? And this is whether in Windows 11 or Windows 10 or Windows 8, whichever Windows you're using. This will help you to stop those applications or software from starting up when your computer starts, right? And on top of that, it will help your PC to start up much faster when you turn it on. So how you do this? Just simply right click on the Windows icon here on the taskbar, and you want to go to Task Manager. Now once you're in the Task Manager guys, on the left hand side you will see Startup Apps, right? So if you click on Startup Apps, let me maximize this, you will see a bunch of different applications that I have here on my computer, and you can see that most of them is disabled, and this allows my PC to start up very fast. I'm going to help you to understand what it means. So these are the application names, right? And these are the status. The status basically tells you if it's enabled or it's disabled. Enabled means that the application will start up when your computer starts, and disabled means that it is currently disabled and will not start when your computer starts. The startup impact simply means if it's high, if it takes up a lot of memory when the computer starts up, and this will increase the time that your computer will take to start up. So if it's high, you want to consider to disable it. If it's low, it's not much of an impact, right? So for example, WhatsApp, I disable it because I don't need to have WhatsApp on. If I want to enable it, I just need to simply right click and enable, and as you can see, it's enabled. So whenever my computer starts up, WhatsApp will be enabled. However, I don't want that, so I'll simply right click and disable it, right? Now, for example, you can see some of them as high, and you also saw that it has more than one processes. So if I expand this, you see that it has a second one, guys. I don't need this to start up on my PC, so I simply disable it. If I had it enabled, guys, this will have a high impact on my computer startup time, and it will make it a bit slower, right? So I simply disable this. I really hope that this is useful for you guys. And here you can see, for example, iCloud, iDrive, etc. The none mean that it starts up, but it has no impact whatsoever. Low means that it has a higher impact, but not so much. So once you have, for example, a none impact, it's up to you if you want to have this enabled or disabled, and this is totally up to you. But I strongly recommend that it doesn't matter which application. If you don't need it, have it starting up at your computer startup, then you simply just disable it. It makes no sense, right? And that's all there is to it, guys. Now guys, I really hope that you found this tutorial very helpful, and if you do, go ahead and give this video a like and share your comments below. I'd really appreciate that. And if you're seeing the channel for the first time, welcome to Drew Tutorial. I'm Anjo, and I really appreciate if you hit the subscribe button below to help grow this community, and also so that you'll never miss out when I release another helpful tutorial just like this one. Thank you very much, and see you next time.